I took the watermelon, and as I was leaving, I got a plastic bag. Now, I thought it was just a small one. Oh my God, like a pimple, trying to get it out of my bike gears for the last hour. I wonder why it's following me. This child's voice brings out so much in me. One-handed. My personal farmer is not in a happy place today. It's okay. I'm sending him to the doctor. So, there he goes. Go and send you to the doctor. For me, looks like this. See that? Swim that. Here I go. Some food. And food. Sunset, big orange ball, amazing beach ball. Shabbat shalom, baby. Wow, some Israeli guy that I've known for a few weeks just told me that I'm weird or strange because I'm alone on Shabbat. What an asshole. It makes me not feel good about myself. Wow, I'm not this arrogant. I truly wonder why the arrogant natives never ever say like respect and kol hakavod for foreigners that are so alone here in this country. They're so mean here. Anyway, I'm gonna make the best of it because look how just hanging in my personal aquarium, and I realized nobody can make me feel that way. Just gotta keep my boundaries.